As a group, Vallabh Ashram started in 1949, and today we are 5 schools, 1 tribal schools, 2 gaushalas and 1 free medical center for the tribals. So we are around a big family of around 21,000 people.
Previously, it was like you have to tell them stories or show them flashcards or different ELMs were there.
The spellings they used to learn prior on the blackboard, then they used to write in the book. So many big concepts that were really difficult earlier to teach them.
It was like inside group activities, inside the classroom only. Like limited things were happening over here. But when the ActiveFloor came over here, and it was like wow moment for us also when the student came inside and they were very much excited and they started jumping and dancing. Yeah, something new ma'am has brought.
The first reaction of our kids seeing the magic floor, that they thought it was magic. They were very excited. They were like happy that how the things are changing through their touch.
So classroom conversation was totally different, and the involvement which they were doing in the computer lab on ActiveFloor, it was like mind-blowing.
Big surprise for them because this floor turns into a big screen. It has really helped us in planning our work. With technology, with live screening and all, it has proved to be a very good thing for us.
ActiveFloor has really brought a big change in our teaching learning process.
They observe, they know what's going on, and they just love, moving and stepping on the floor.
The ActiveFloor has helped our shy kids, the kids, those who are timid. They have also become leaders.
During monsoon season, as we play outdoor games, so it is not possible that we will take kids outside and make them play. With the help of ActiveFloor, we can make them play that type of games in their class.
BenQ का जो टीम आया था, उन लोग ने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से ट्रेनिंग दिया था.
My ActiveFloor is like a magic box for them.
I'll definitely recommend ActiveFloor to others. It is really helpful.
ActiveFloor is really creating wonders.
That the cost and the budget that you allocated us is utilized in the right way for the betterment of the child. सबसे ज़्यादा जो कोर पार्ट एक स्कूल में होना चाहिए वो है हैप्पीनेस, और वो बच्चे की हैप्पीनेस है. अगर बच्चा हैप्पी है तो वी आर हैप्पी.